Throughout Earth's history, certain creatures have reigned supreme, so formidable that they faced few, if any, natural threats. Today we delve into the lives of these nearly invincible animals, exploring what made them dominant forces in their ecosystems. Sauropods, the colossal long-necked dinosaurs, were more than just gentle giants. Their sheer size, reaching up to 100 feet in length, and massive tails could deter most predators. Fossil evidence suggests that even apex predators thought twice before challenging these behemoths. Ankylosaurus was a living tank. Covered in thick, bony plates and wielding a tail club capable of breaking bones, it was a formidable opponent. Predators had to be cautious, as one misstep could lead to serious injury. Megalodon, the largest shark to have ever lived, dominated the oceans. With teeth the size of a human hand and a bite force unparalleled in marine history, it preyed on whales and other large marine animals with ease. Crocodilians have survived multiple mass extinctions. Their adaptability, powerful jaws, and ambush tactics have made them enduring apex predators for millions of years. Titanoboa, the largest snake ever discovered, could reach lengths of over 40 feet. In the humid, tropical climates of ancient South America, it was the top predator, capable of constricting and consuming large prey. Saber-toothed cats like Smilodon were apex predators of their time. Their elongated canines and muscular builds allowed them to take down large herbivores, asserting dominance in their habitats. These creatures, each in their own era, exemplified the pinnacle of evolutionary prowess. Their dominance serves as a testament to nature's ability to produce formidable life forms. While they no longer roam the earth, their legacies continue to captivate and inspire. If you enjoyed this journey through Earth's most invincible animals, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the natural world.